So in today's problem, we have a little bit of an algebra problem where we're given a value for A, we're given a value for B, and we want to determine how much the value of this expression exceeds the value of this expression for these values of A and B. And to find out how much one exceeds the other, we're going to subtract the two. Let's think about them individually. For 4a squared minus b, we're going to substitute 3 for A and 2 for B. And I put the parentheses here because I want to remember to evaluate my exponent first before I do my multiplication. We have to think about the order of operations. That gives us 34 for the first expression. Now let's look at the second expression. We're going to do the same thing, substitute 3 for A, 2 for B. We're going to evaluate our exponent first. Now let's do all of our multiplication. Oh, look, I made a mistake. Little subtraction. And now we have a value for this expression, a value for this expression. The difference between the two is 11. The answer is B. Now before you go, I want to show you something you might not know about the test. When the tests are written, they carefully consider the answer choices to try to have answers here for some common errors. And for this particular problem, I want to take a second to talk about a few common errors. If you got 8, it's possible that when you went to square the 3 in each of these expressions, you multiplied by 2 instead of squaring. So watch out for that error. This is the correct answer. This answer I put here just for balance. You may notice that all of the answer choices are in order from least to greatest. I just wanted to put something in there to make it look even. For 57, if you had added this value to this value, that's what you would have gotten. And for 65, if you'd made the mistake of multiplying 4 times 3 and then squaring, or 3 times 3 and then squaring, that's what you would have gotten.